Welcome to the majestic world of turtles. Discover their secrets. In this video, we will explore the fascinating world of turtles and unravel the mysteries that surround them. Turtles have been around for over 200 million years and can be found in various habitats around the world, from oceans to rivers and even deserts. Their unique shells serve as a protective armor, shielding them from predators and environmental dangers. Did you know that there are over 350 different species of turtles? They come in all shapes and sizes, from the tiny, thumb-sized bog turtle to the massive leatherback turtle, which can weigh up to 2,000 pounds. Despite their slow and steady reputation, turtles are surprisingly agile swimmers. Their streamlined bodies and webbed feet allow them to gracefully glide through the water, diving to great depths in search of food. Turtles are cold-blooded creatures, relying on their environment to regulate their body temperature. This is why you often see them basking in the sun, absorbing its warmth to keep their bodies functioning optimally. One of the most incredible things about turtles is their ability to navigate vast distances. Some species undertake remarkable migrations, traveling hundreds or even thousands of miles to lay their eggs on specific beaches. But turtles face numerous threats in today's world. Habitat destruction, pollution, and illegal trade pose significant risks to their survival. Conservation efforts and public awareness play a crucial role in protecting these majestic creatures for generations to come. We hope this glimpse into the world of turtles has sparked your curiosity and appreciation for these ancient beings. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fascinating insights into the wonders of nature.